Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. I will be reviewing today a Mi wireless charging pad. So this is a charging pad created by Xiaomi, and as you can see, the most important specification is the 10 watts maximum power output. Let's just check out the box a bit and then we will go through with the actual unboxing and reviewing the wireless charger. So, smart compatibility, I'm assuming this means that it's a Qi wireless charging pad, so it works with basically most of the phones that support wireless charging. Full body metallic finish and wireless fast charging. The input is USB Type-C, which is really nice, and I guess that's about it. Let's just open it up and check it out. Warranty notice and charging pad user manual. Let's put this aside for a moment and take a look at the manual. It has only a couple of pages, so quick overview here. Right here you're encouraged to use the official USB Type-C data cables. It tells you how to place the phone on the wireless charging pad and how not to do it. Some precautions, and I guess that's about it. Some specs which were present also on the box. Now we have the instructions in different languages. Let's just see what's here. Oh, okay, so this is the pad itself, and yes, we also have a USB Type-C cable. Let's just use this official one. It's about 1 meter in length, which is quite enough. I will try to use this to check it out. Let's just see the pad. Oh, it looks really good. It has the Mi logo here in the middle. Here we have a metallic finish, which is very nice to the touch. Here we have a rubber O-ring, which helps it stay put on the table. We have some specs here. Let me just try and show them to you. Okay, and now I will turn it on and see how it works. Of course, here we have the typical USB Type-C port, which is really nice. We finally passed the micro USB era. Let's just try it out and see how it works. I believe we also have an LED here. Probably it will light up whenever we power this. Yep, so now it's flashing the green light. And now it's stopped. Let's just check if it works. I have here my Samsung Galaxy S10e. And yes, it does. It charges up wirelessly. You see here 20 minutes until full. It's true that this may not be the fastest method of charging your device. If you're in the office and you want to avoid sticking the cable and removing it a lot of times in a day's work, you can simply use a wireless charging pad like this, put it on the table, and you should be okay to charge it up whenever you sit at a desk for prolonged periods of time. Of course, you can use it at your bedside as well. You can leave it like this overnight. What you have to avoid is heating up your device very much, but this is only a 10 watt charger and it shouldn't heat up the battery that much. This is one of the inconveniences and disadvantages of wireless charging, the fact that the battery gets very hot and it basically diminishes its efficiency over time. This is probably very obvious with very fast chargers. I know on the box here we have the wireless fast charging logo here and something is written, but actually there are very fast wireless chargers, much faster than this one with 10 watts. I believe even 20 watts has been surpassed. Yeah, the phone will definitely get very hot during the charging. If you want to wireless charge your device, I'm recommending you to use a lower wattage model and one from a big manufacturer such as this Xiaomi wireless charging pad. Samsung also has pretty good wireless charging pads and they're pretty reliable as well. I know that some Samsung chargers also have like a docking position like this where the phone can sit upright, and also have some ventilation. This one doesn't have ventilation, but this one isn't that strong. And this is one of the key features that I like, that it only has 10 watts and it doesn't require ventilation. You don't hear any fans, and overall you don't degrade your battery that much. I will definitely be using this on a daily basis from now on, and I'm confident I will have no problems with it. If I do have any problems with it, I will report it back, but the chances are pretty slim. So yeah, this was the review of the Mi wireless charging pad. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will display it right here in the bottom left part. Thanks a lot once again. I wish you a great day. Bye.